In this video, I'll guide you through how to target senior citizens with Facebook ads. If your business offers products or services designed for older adults, creating a well-defined audience can help your ads reach people who are more likely to benefit from your offer. Facebook Ads Manager provides several audience-building tools that allow you to narrow your targeting. Although Meta is increasingly relying on its AI-powered systems to determine who sees your ads. As a result, it's important to remember that your ad creative should clearly speak to senior citizens through its messaging, visuals, and overall presentation. To begin, sign into your Facebook Ads Manager account and navigate to the Audiences section. From there, choose the option to create a saved audience. This allows you to build an audience that you can reuse whenever you launch a new advertising campaign. Start by giving your audience a descriptive name, such as senior citizens, so it's easy to recognize later. Next, review the location settings. If your offer is only available in a specific city, state, or country, enter that location so your ads are only shown where your services are available. Since your goal is to reach older adults, adjust the age range to match the audience you're trying to reach. For example, you may decide to target people aged 50 and older, depending on your business and campaign goals. You can also review the gender and language settings if those are relevant to your campaign. Otherwise, they can remain broad. As you continue through the audience setup, you'll notice the Advantage Plus Audience feature. Meta uses this system to automatically expand and optimize your audience. If you prefer to manually define your audience where the option is available, switch to Advantage Plus Audience and then return to the original audience settings so you can continue using detailed targeting. Now scroll down to the Detailed Targeting section. Instead of targeting people simply by age, you can strengthen your audience by adding interests and characteristics that are commonly associated with older adults. Search for interests such as retirement planning, retirement communities, pension-related topics, Medicare, AARP, senior discounts, assisted living, independent living, nursing homes, and other topics that are relevant to your ideal audience. As you continue adding related interests, monitor the estimated audience size. If it's too small, include additional relevant interests to create a broader but still focused audience. Once you're satisfied with your targeting, click Create Saved Audience. Your audience will now be available whenever you create a new Facebook advertising campaign, making it easy to select during campaign setup. And that's all there is to targeting senior citizens with Facebook ads. By combining age settings with carefully chosen interests and relevant locations, you can create an audience that's better aligned with your products or services while allowing Meta's optimization tools to further improve your campaign performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.